Hi, this is Timothy, and this is a quick run through of my program. To start off, the variables are the offset, which I calculated to be minus 2.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which was calculated through the calibration test I did with ice water. Next is temp F, which is used to record the temperature in Fahrenheit. Elapsed time is the time recorded throughout the program. And flag set is the flag used by the ISR to tell the program it's time to record the temperature. Initially, I wanted to record the temperature in the ISR, but that proved a little difficult with timings. After some research, it appears the sensor I use, the DHT11, is a little slow and made it difficult to do that. So instead, I used the ISR to set the flag and increment the time. Next is the setup, where I started the serial communication and initialized the sensor. I also set up the timer to be 10 seconds or 10 million microseconds and attached the set flag function to the timer. Next is the loop, where it checks for the sentinel to end the program and end the timer. Interrupts. Sorry. Then it checks to see if the flag is set. If the flag is set, the flag is immediately reset back to false, and the temperature is read, converted, and printed out in CSV format. Thank you. And this is the process I use to calculate the offset. I filled a cup with ice water and waited a couple minutes for it to reach an equilibrium. And the temperature of the water ended up being 43.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, for the sensor, I place it into a Ziploc bag to keep it safe and try to remove as much air as possible from the bag before submersion. And I waited about 15 to 20 minutes for the sensor to reach a nice point with the water. And I began recording the temperature to see when it would stop decreasing in temperature, and this ended up being 45.9 degrees Fahrenheit. This ended up being a offset of 2.6 degrees. Hi, this is Timothy Wang, and this is my program to check for temperatures. Currently, it's been running for 30 seconds with a stable room temperature of 71.88 degrees. The output is in CSV format with the time elapsed followed by the current temperature. Now, I will place this into the refrigerator at the next interval, which was 60 seconds, so I will check back on it at 360 seconds. Okay, I am back, and the time is quickly approaching the 360-second interval, and as you can see, the temperature has been slowly decreasing, and now that it hits 360, I will remove it from the refrigerator. Okay, I believe the interval hit 370, so I will check back on it at 670 interval. I am back, and we are approaching the 670-second interval, and the temperature has slowly been rising, approaching the room temperature that we measured, but it is not at that point yet. This has been my demonstration. Thank you for watching.